Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start Chapter 5 Weather and Climate. The aims of this lesson are in this chapter, we will learn about the difference between weather and climate. We will learn about the factors influencing climate of a place and about the three climatic zones of the earth. Let's start with weather. What is weather? The short-term changes in the atmospheric condition at a particular place is known as weather, like temperature, humidity, fog, etc. Weather affects the daily life of people. Climate. Climate of a region is the weather of that region for a long period. To know the climate of a region, the daily weather is taken into account for many years. Climate affects the food habits, clothing, housing, and occupation of the people. Let's learn about the different factors that influence climate. Distance from the equator. The climate of a place is affected by its distance from the equator. The regions that are located near the equator receive vertical sun's rays which spread over a small area. So this makes the equatorial region much hotter. As we move away from the equator towards the pole, the rays of the sun fall slanting and spread over a large area. So these regions experience cold climate. Height above sea level or altitude. Altitude is the height of a place above sea level. As the height of a place increases, there is a decrease in temperature. This means that places that are higher altitude are colder than the places at lower altitude. Distance from sea. The distance of a place from the sea is another factor that affects the climate of a place. The places that are located near the sea are cooler in summer and warmer in winter. These places have a moderate climate, neither too hot nor too cold. The places that are located far away from the sea are hotter in summer and cooler in winter. These places have extreme climate, very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Next point is direction of the wind. The climate of a place is also affected by the direction of the wind. The wind that blows from sea to land is called sea breeze, and these winds carry moisture and bring rain to the coastal areas. Now, the wind that blows from land to sea is called land breeze. These land breeze blowing from warm areas will be warm and dry, and the wind blowing from cold areas will be cold and dry. Humidity and rainfall. The term humidity means the amount of water vapor present in the air. Humidity in the air causes rainfall. The air that blows over coastal areas is usually humid. So, the coastal areas receive heavy rainfall. On the other hand, the air that blows over deserts is dry and does not contain moisture. That's why deserts receive very little rainfall. Now in the next class we will be learning about three climatic zones of the earth.